ODT here with ODT.Lifestyle, and today we explore Fuerteventura in a Renault Arcana, explore Morro Jable beach, eat seafood on the beach, climb an ancient structure to experience good views, eat good food at Ajuy beach, visit the capital city Puerto del Rosario, and stay tuned to discover the chilling reason behind the mysterious screams that woke us on our first night. Got a Renault Arcana. Here's the key. This is the car. Chloe's going to be driving it for us today because she's never driven on the opposite side of the road. We're going to go exploring. Yeah, it should be good fun. Chloe's in the car. It's a nice sized car. Got aircon on. That's the front of the hotel. We're staying in that side of the hotel down there. It's all one big hotel. Chloe's now going to try and connect to the Bluetooth.
Get in the car! I'm excited but nervous.
This island is definitely volcanic. Just looking at the colour of the rock and the formations and how the ground is. I feel like it's volcanic. What is this hotel? Is that a hotel or a church? Wow, it's a hotel. Hotel Rio Calma. 4-star as well. It's not that different, is it?
No. It's just a bit weird. It's like you probably automatically adjust to it, but then when you think about it too much, you then panic and think, oh, what am I doing? Am I doing something wrong? So we're going to be driving a camper van and I'm driving on the other side of the road in future for sure.
So we're just parked up. So this area is called Costa Calma Marta Beach. So we're just going to stop at the local supermarket, get some bits, water, drinks, little supplies.
We need hydration and a few little snacks so we get to our destination. Can't believe it's my birthday and I'm not at home, like we're here in future Ventura. And this time yesterday I still had no idea at 1 PM.
See, she thought today we'd be travelling from the Lake District to Edinburgh in a camper van. We're instead walking down a hot street in Fuerteventura. Don't forget, if you enjoy what we do, you can find links in the description below to our Patreon where you can support us. You can also see links to socials as well. So if you're not following us already, get following. I guess now we're like out of the touristy parts, so proper like in between the locals. So I guess we'll get a bit more of a feel for how the locals actually are. Yeah, this is the one. Hyperdino. I ain't seen sunny day in a minute. Remember sunny day? Have I got any of my favourite cookies?
Oh, the chips.
Yeah.
The Chips Ahoy.
Chips or something like that.
Yeah, like, is it these ones?
Yes, mate, them are the bad boy ones. Yo, make sure every time you come to Spain, you get yourself some of these. These are bad boys. We're grabbing a couple of them. We'll get some of these. Love myself a dairy milk. Oh, plastic that little milk. So, back to the car and on to the next destination.
It's like we're in the desert, isn't it?
Yeah, this is mad. So we've just arrived in Morro Jable, that's how it's pronounced. Parked up Old Bertha over here. Beautiful little town. So we're just going to walk down here. We've seen lots of shops, lots of restaurants, and see if we can grab ourselves a little steak or a little food or something. And surprisingly, it's actually quite multicultural, quite diverse. Saying that, I've seen a lot of black people, white people, dogs. Shut up. It's very quiet though. So I think this Morro Jable place where we are, I'm probably butchering the name of it completely, but it's more southern to Costa Calma where we're staying. So there's the seed down there. So let's go find us a steak. Come on, Gray. So we found this beach. It's absolutely massive. It goes all the way down there, all the way down that way. It's absolutely beautiful. Unfortunately, we didn't pack our swimwear, so not prepared to go in the water, but I think we'll probably come back tomorrow and have a look. But look at that, look how beautiful it is. So unfortunately, I didn't manage to capture what we ate because the food was so nice and we were just in the moment. But we had a nice meal right here with this beautiful view. Look at that, it's amazing, it just goes for miles. So we're going to have a bit of an explore now and see what else is around. So Chloe wants to go and dip her foot in the water. Her foot? See her foot there? Yeah, look at the views, it's mad. It's beautiful, like look at that.
Stunning. Absolutely beautiful.
So we've come into a little craft shop. What's this area called?
Yep.
What area? Name? Number?
Salam people.
So if you're enjoying what we do, don't forget to subscribe. Coco banana. So we're leaving this location now. We're off to now, driver.
Destination. Wherever.
So we're just going to walk back to the car.
Yeah.
You're looking for a happy ending, you are.
Oh, no.
So we're going to get back to the car now then. Stay tuned. So we noticed when we came in here, it's a burnt out VW caddy van. Just parked there, burnt out. And it looks like inside of it is a quad bike. It must have caught fire. Completely burnt out. Down to Costa Beach for Chloe's evening birthday meal. So we're just going to order up. Menu looks good, and we've got a beautiful beach table.
Literally toes in the sand. You can't get any better.
So yeah, we're going to eat off. See where the night brings us. But yeah, Costa Beach restaurant looks good. So round one. We've got some king prawns. What's that thing you got there?
It's the garlic alioli.
Garlic alioli.
Bread, just for starter. This is your star and this is my
Yes,
star.
this is my star. It's actually a main meal, but I'm having it as a starter. So let's tuck in and devour. So what you had then? Paella.
Chicken paella. It looks lovely. So let's do a taste test.
Nice. So we're off to Ajuy or Ajuy. We're gonna head down there now. But I've got to say, driving on this island is absolutely spectacular. I've never been somewhere where the landscape is the way that it is here. It's just, yeah, it's just phenomenal. It's definitely a volcanic island.
Yeah, we've had that confirmed today.
Yeah, I mean, people like this guy on the bike here, I've been seeing, mate, like in this heat, or when it's hot, like riding a bike around all these hills. It's mad. I mean, don't get me wrong, going down them would be hella fun, but going up them, that's why you need an electric bike. So we just pulled over on the side of the road just to get some views in. Let me just tell you, the views are unbelievable. We're on our way to Ajuy. This road is just unbelievable. If I had my beam with me now, I'd be loving these roads, but they are dangerous, so we have to be careful. But look at these views. Driving down the road and we've come all of about another, I don't know, 5 minutes. So there's a path that goes up here and it looks like there's some type of pinnacle point at the top. So we're going to attempt it and see if we can get to the top and see what's up there, see what the views are like. Yeah, so my ankle is going to be absolutely destroyed by the time I finish doing this. The things I do for you guys, drop a like for the pain I'm going through right now. Well, we're about halfway up, so let's continue.
Let's get it.
The higher you go, the thinner the air is. So our ears have been popping. Let's take more air in. This was old, man. To that one at the top of there, the little pyramid on the top of it. The path, the trail of that one.
You having a laugh?
Oh, it's something to do with the solar system. It's an astrology site. That's one thing about Fuerteventura as well. They've got all these like dotted around like monuments and structures, and they're really interesting. So it's always piquing your interest. You're driving past something and you see one of these little structures, and it's always like a hot spot to stop. I really like this destination. So it does appear as though this is an ancient site. So let's continue on to Ajuy. So we've made it through all the sand dunes. So we've now arrived in Ajuy. It's a very desert type place. We're in the car park at the moment, so we're going to get out, have a look around and see what's here. Beautiful little seaside town. So a lot of fish here. So we're going to walk down here and then see if we can find a nice restaurant. Now I'm not really in the mood for the fish, but we'll have to see. Caves of Ajuy. There's loads of little places over here. So there's loads of little places. This is actually beautiful. Free place here where they do like pizza and some other stuff. But look at this view. And a Ajuy sign over there. Volcanic sand. Apparently there's also a beach here called Popcorn Beach, where all the sand looks like popcorn. So I think looking at these places here, I think we're probably gonna choose one of these and get some food. What are you saying?
This one.
Let's eat. Thank you very much.
Drink at the moment.
Orange.
Orange juice.
Fanta.
Fanta de naranja. Okay. Ahorita. I'll have Fanta too. Yeah.
Real pretty thing. So we just left Ajuy. We got Chloe in the captain's seat, and now we're just going to head over to the capital of Fuerteventura, which is Puerto del something. I'll put it somewhere. But the views again are mad. Lots of pyramid-like structures. It's just beautiful, and the roads are absolutely crazy. So we've made it to the capital, Puerto del Rosario, I believe it's called, and we've just parked up. There's the Alcanza. Here's the city. Got a beautiful cruise ship there in the harbour. So we're just going to go around, explore, see what's here, and then maybe get some little amenities. Wow, this is so beautiful. wind is absolutely crazy.
It is very windy.
Really,
You've got
really
to hold
windy.
on to your hat, haven't you?
Yeah, I have to hold on to ODT UK. If you want to support the channel, we do have some merch, some ODT UK merch, which can be found on the website, ODT.Uk.com. Log on, and you can buy and support the channel and support what we do. You get yourself some nice merch. Let's see what's in the city. So we're in the capital of Fuerteventura, Puerto del Rosario. See it there? So I'm not sure what we're going to do here. Well, there's some beautiful views. The beautiful ship, Ada Stella, it's called. Never considered a cruise actually, but I just don't know whether I'll actually go on a cruise. Maybe I will. Let me know in the comments below if you think I should look at a cruise. I wonder what the history's like here. I wonder what it was used for, like what the main port was used for. I can hear music. La musica. And you've got all these little monuments just dotted around. Just everywhere, like it just makes the place so interesting. I mean, look on the roundabout over there. You got another one dotted on that roundabout.
Yeah.
Like, I really like how they just make things like exciting and make it
adds
fun.
a bit of character, doesn't it?
Yeah. There's a guy over here playing music. Let me spin it around for you so you can see. Sorry. The beach over here. It's a lovely beach. So we just walked up there. Every city you go to across the world, they're always very similar type of vibe. Hustle and bustle, trucks, cars, certain shops. It's always the same. I think Chloe's feeling a little bit tired.
I am. All the driving?
You're driving us back on, yeah?
I'm not.
I've
done my bit. I need to be a passenger princess again now.
Oh, can you hear that V8? I need to do some more car content. Comment below if you want to see some more car content. Oh wow, look at that building.
What?
Look at the painting on that building over there.
Oh yeah.
Look how beautiful this graffiti painting is on this wall. Is that Times Square?
Yeah.
It's beautiful. Maybe that's somewhere we should be going. Comment below if you think that's where we should go next. So we just got in a store, I wanted to buy some souvenirs, and we're just being followed around the store. And you see when shit like that happens, yeah, I refuse to buy anything from that store, because what they're doing is they're judging you, right, instead of treating you fairly. And when that happens, you see me, I ain't buying shit from you. So we're just gonna walk back to the car and probably head our journey back to the hotel. It's about an hour, 20-minute drive back to the Arkansas. So on our first night at the hotel, we were awoken at 4:30 a.m. or 4:20 a.m. I was woken up because I could hear lots of chairs being moved around and lots of noise, arguing, shouting. And I was thinking, what the bloody hell? Because the part of the hotel where we are, it's really quiet. So I couldn't quite understand why. Then all of a sudden, I heard like a death screech, like a real sharp scream, followed by like a thud. So imagine dropping a sack of potatoes from like the 3rd floor, and imagine what that thud would sound like. So that's what it sounded like, and coincidentally, the scream stopped as I heard the thud, and this is at 4:20 a.m. in the morning. So obviously, I'm thinking somebody jumped off the balcony from the 5th floor, and they've landed in the So we were like, what the woke us up, and then we kind of got semi-dressed and kind of crept out the door to see what happened. And there's a few other people outside of their doors as well, just looking to see if they could see what happened. And all I could hear was like a breathing, like somebody was taking their last breaths, or like somebody was breathing and oxygen was leaking out of their body. We then looked outside again and we saw a woman, and she was crying on the floor, crying. I was thinking, what the hell has happened? So this is obviously 4 a.m, 4:30 a.m, 4:40 a.m. now. And we're literally thinking like, what the actual hell has happened? So we thought, well, at the end of the day, we don't really want to get involved in a foreign country, we don't know the politics, rah, rah, rah. So we just thought, you know what, we'll just go back to bed. There's other people outside, so you know, if there's a drama, I'm sure it'll be dealt with. And then we got up in the morning, went to reception, and obviously asked about it to find out exactly what happened, because we're thinking somebody's and there's ambulances and all the rest of it. And then we were told there was other guests who also heard the drama, but nothing happened. I'm absolutely 100% convinced that it's a cover-up. Somebody jumped, something happened, and to avoid compensation claims, it was covered up. That's my opinion. But it was just so weird, so strange. Just as you turned into your birthday.
I know. Oh, let's see.
So we're just going to walk the pier now and have a look at the view at the end. So beautiful. So beautiful. How have you found your surprise trip?
Surprising.
So what was your top 2 highlights?
Definitely it being a surprise. Just all the time and thought that you've put into planning it, and the fact you wanted to surprise me. And the second, just making memories and exploring with you. Come to Fuerteventura, hire a car, because I think any time you are in Europe, it makes more sense to hire a car or something so you can explore a bit more. And just do your own thing, it makes it a lot easier.
When you travel in Europe, given this advice before, hire a car, go exploring. It's the best way to see the island, or wherever you are. Best way to explore. You find lots of secret gems. So, from me and Chloe, thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, remember to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.
Also, if you are in Fuerteventura, come to this beach restaurant called Volcanic. Amazing food, good cocktails, it's on the beach. Staff have been really friendly. And the cocktails are lovely. Get yourself a pink paradise and you won't regret it. Cheap, cheap.